Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy BAS token on Binance Alpha. So BAS just get list on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it I will show you how. First you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search BAS, search it, and you will find BAS on Binance Alpha, this one. So this is the chart, and for the chart perspective I think it's good. It's not dumb. So yeah, let's see the details here. So the volume is good, more than 20 million, and there are 10 billion total supply. You can also check their social media and website, and if you want to buy it you can just click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to BAS, and also you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you, and the total amount of the BAS you want to buy. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.